In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Docs document in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Google Docs or simply need a quick refresher, this guide will help you through the simple steps to get your document started efficiently and smoothly. First, let's kick things off by opening up your favorite web browser. Now, in the address bar, type in Google Docs. You should notice, as you start typing, the search recommendations will likely pop up with a link directly to Google Docs. Give that link a click, and it will bring you straight to the Google Docs homepage. Once you're on the Google Docs homepage, the next thing you'll want to do is look for the option to log in. Typically, you'll find this in the upper right corner of the page. If you're already signed into your Google account, you might skip this step inadvertently, but if not, just enter your Google email and password to log in. Now that you're logged into your account, let's move forward by creating a new document. On the main Google Docs interface, you'll see various templates available. What you're looking for is the simple, no-fuss option that says Blank Document. It's usually a white square with a plus sign in the corner labeled Blank. Click on that square to open it up, and voila! Your new document is ready for action. With your new document open, you're free to start typing away. The blank page in front of you is your canvas to create whatever document you need, be it an essay, a report, or even some casual notes. But before you jump into typing, here's a tip. It's always a good idea to give your document a name. Go to the top of the page where it says Untitled Document and click there. Type in whatever title fits your purpose. This will help you easily find your document later in your Google Drive. And that's it. You've successfully created a new Google Docs document. Remember, this is a versatile tool that you can access from anywhere with an internet connection. You can also share your document with others easily by clicking the Share button in the top right corner, which allows for real-time collaboration. Whether you're working on a solo project or collaborating with a team, Google Docs is a powerful way to create, organize, and store your work. Thank you for following along in this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't hesitate to check out our other guides and feel free to subscribe for more handy tips and tricks. Happy documenting!